Ciao and welcome back to the series about Italian verbs, where you can learn the conjugation, pronunciation, and practical examples of the most important Italian verbs. I'm Beata from the Proficiency Consultant's Italian language series. Join me to learn and let's get started. Today we will learn the verb cuocere, which means to cook. This verb is irregular, so the forms don't always follow the regular patterns. Let's go through the conjugation in the present tense. Repeat after me. Io cuocio. Tu cuoci. Lui cuoce. Lei cuoce. Noi cuociamo. Voi cuocete. Loro cuociono. Let's look at some practical examples with cuocere. Repeat after me. Io cuocio la pasta per 10 minuti. Tu cuoci il riso bene. Lei cuoce il pane nel forno. Noi cuociamo la carne alla griglia. Voi cuocete la pizza. Loro cuociono le verdure al vapore. Cuocere is used mostly when talking about preparing food and recipes, so it's a verb you'll hear a lot in Italy. Now it's your turn. Try a sentence like Io cuocio le uova ogni mattina. Share your example in the comments below. And that's it for today's lesson. Now you know how to conjugate and use cuocere in everyday conversations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and visit my blog for more Italian language tips. Stay tuned for the next video about the Italian verb series. Ciao!